Vitalik Buterin admitted Cardano will reach $1,000 because of this. Shockingly important news. Cardano is a few years late to the smart contract party, and developers moving from Ethereum to Cardano aren't facing a straightforward adjustment. A recent IOHK blog post reiterated this point, saying a developer can't just use an adapted Ethereum contract. Clearly, it's going to take a while for most Ethereum dApp developers to adjust to Cardano, so it might be another year or two until the bulk of the Cardano dApps are fully developed. Today we're going to talk all about why Cardano is going to moonshot and what new updates are coming in Cardano. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 12th of December, shall we? Cardano's price is in a downward move. Today the selling pressure has resumed as price breaks below the current support level of $1.7. This current downtrend is the continuation of the December 4th bearish impulse. During the breakdown, ADA's price reached a low of $1.18. Today, ADA USD is trading at $1.26 at the time of writing. If the current selling pressure persists, the market will decline to the previous low at $1.18. On the other hand, if price rebounds above the current support, it will signal the resumption of an uptrend. Cardano indicator analysis, Cardano has fallen to level 28 of the Relative Strength Index for period 14. This indicates that the market has reached the oversold region of the market. The selling pressure ought to reach the bearish exhaustion. We expect buyers to emerge in the oversold region of the market. The crypto's prices are below the moving averages, indicating the downtrend. ADA has fallen below 20% area of the daily stochastic. It also indicates the oversold condition. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano's mission is to build a network which overcomes the scalability and interoperability shortcomings facing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other first and second generation cryptos. Hoskinson and the Cardano team have set themselves some lofty real-world goals, such as to provide economic identity to the billions who lack it by providing decentralized applications to manage identity, value, and governance. While most other cryptos were focusing on getting up and running as fast as possible, Cardano took a slower, more cautious approach. Cardano submits every new feature for academic peer review, which Hoskinson maintains will help the platform develop a strong foundation on which to build a more secure network for the future. Cardano is often compared to Ethereum, which Hoskinson helped to set up alongside Vitalik Buterin and Gavin Wood. Yet the two platforms aren't perfectly alike in their aims or their methods. In an interview with Lex Fridman, Buterin described the difference between Ethereum and Cardano as they, Cardano, really emphasize having these big academic proofs for everything, whereas Ethereum tends to be more okay with heuristic arguments, in part because it's just trying to do more faster. What separates Cardano from the crowd? Cardano's focus is on crafting secure, long-term blockchain applications designed for real-world use cases. In April this year, Cardano announced the world's largest real-world blockchain development to date. IOHK partnered up with the Ethiopian Ministry of Education to provide 5 million teachers and students with blockchain-based digital identity. The project will one day become a national record of academic attainment for student grades and overall school performance. To encourage entrepreneurs and developers to build dApps on the Cardano network, IOHK launched Catalyst. Catalyst is an innovation fund for the community to propose and vote on ideas for platform alterations and features. The most recent funding round, Catalyst Fund 6, offered the community funding worth $4 million for new projects. The Cardano community is known for being one of the most active, and as such, its blockchain receives considerable amounts of attention, more so than any other blockchain according to Outlier Ventures. Staking tokens on Cardano is far easier than on other networks, as there's no staking lock and unlock time. You can even stake ADA directly from exchanges like Binance and Kraken. A recent blog post revealed that 71.4% of the total ADA supply has been delegated to stake pools at a value just shy of $60 billion, and annual staking rewards are currently between 4 to 6%. Transactions on the Cardano network rely on a novel POS protocol called Ouroboros, which has already allowed this network to process 250 transactions per second. Once the final Hydra update goes live, each Cardano staking pool will be able to process thousands of transactions per second. Ouroboros POS has made Cardano among the most energy-efficient networks, using just 6 gigawatt-hours of energy, compared to Bitcoin's whopping 111 terawatt-hours, making it roughly 1,000 times more energy efficient than the world's first cryptocurrency. Despite Cardano's slow start, its ecosystem is undergoing rapid development. The Cardano Twitter account recently shared the image below, showing some of the projects already integrated on the Cardano ecosystem. Ergo DEX. Ergo is a smart contracts platform built for DeFi dApps. The platform was built by a team involved in the development of Cardano, Waves, and Chainlink, and as such enjoys great popularity in the Cardano community. Both Ergo and Cardano are research-driven companies and have partnerships with Emergo. Charles Hoskinson has been vocally impressed with the project, saying, "It's one of the most revolutionary cryptocurrencies ever built." Ergo's smart contracts are built using the EUTXO model, the same model used by Cardano, which has led to some exciting collaboration between both companies in the form of Ergo DEX. SundaySwap. SundaySwap is an automated market maker, DEX. Sunday is essentially the Uniswap of the Cardano network, or at least it hopes to be. The protocol allows for peer-to-peer token trading, as well as staking, borrowing, and lending. Like other DEXs, users will receive a cut of the fees in exchange for lending their assets to the platform. SundaySwap planned to launch on the BSC in May 2021 and bridge to the Cardano network at a later date, but then decided to launch on Cardano directly and not launch on the BSC at all. SundaySwap's ISO was planned for May 2021, before the change of direction, but this has been delayed until later in Q4 2021. The SundaySwap website gives the reason for the change as Cardano is faster and cheaper than the alternative smart contract platforms. All in all, it is more advanced and a better option for future projects to be built on. While the precise launch date isn't known, the team have shared some details about how the token launch will work. To take part in the SundaySwap ISO, you'll need to stake ADA tokens in the Sunday stake pools. Instead of receiving ADA as a staking reward, you'll receive Sunday tokens. 5% of the total Sunday token supply will be distributed over 25 days. To prevent whale control, there will be a diminishing rate of returns, and there's no minimum staking amount. ADA. ADA is a comprehensive stablecoin ecosystem built to integrate with the Cardano network. ADA has several interesting and distinctive features which set it apart from the crowd. First, there's DUSD, which is ADA's stablecoin, which is pegged to the US dollar and backed with collateral. DUSD will initially let you get leverage on your ADA, with other cryptos planned to be made compatible further down the line. Then there's DanaSwap, which is ADA's AMM DEX specifically designed for multi-asset pools. Swaps between stablecoins and stable assets will enjoy ultra-low slippage, and you can deposit stablecoins to receive interest payments as passive income. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!